Yeah, over. I just say no me get me once when okay. Yeah, me fine that. We are from Baba you more than fine. And you're ready. But why come on? Me the nyame adore me boss adore. Why come on? You say talking you no still na. Boss okay, not talking in power way this. Wow. Matthias. Let me come here fine. Anything I'm about no what I'm from my boss. What the human to say yeah. Me come here fine. Oh no. T. She say me the name be crab me pese area Hajia no. Can me pet shop be mount. Na ka o boss ni ha na o sisi fi ai bi area na kwa ko bi store no na ka o ye de o ton ade no emfaso bi bebe bia na ka wa ye de me ne wa che boss yo you can na me hu de opatire sahabu che fon tro na me nuama be ka ai posole sa nuama sa kimi edum
she is sure that she loves him and he loves her, then let's all give her our support, okay? I thought we were coming to have fun. I didn't know we were going to discuss this.
It wasn't a meeting really, but
come on, girls.
She's just passing her issues.
Look, I've not been home for some time and I thought we were just here to have fun, just forget about everything. And then let's just be happy.
We will talk to her.
Right, thank you. That's what I want to hear.
We will.
Don't worry, as for your sis, I'll talk to her. Okay.
That was you know the one is even planning to pay the rest of the rent for me.
Wow.
Okay.
Oh, nice.
I'll know how to help you.
You have to.
I
can't buy me no needy.
Yeah, maybe I'm say
only needy now. All supporting the sister.
Just a minute.
She, na bema ben obi sha 3 months obi tia rent amount. Debi what to be that? Won't to be that? She, then the guy is for real. Let's support our girl, okay? Alright, let's just cheer up, everything will be fine. Cheers. You guys, this landlord. What is his problem?
I don't know.
Yes.
But the last time I think I saw him, the way he was looking all cute, like
really?
Hey, so I was at the banana.
Are you the one crushing on him?
Me? Yeah. I'm not crushing on him.
Yeah.
Maybe he's the one crushing on me.
Yeah.
And you know I've not been in the house. I've been busy with work, here and there, to and fro.
So what's up with him?
I don't know, for some time now, you're on show me to do me pesa.
I'm here, Shenibi.
Sarah. No, tia. Ha, Frank.
Joe. Thank God.
Yeah, Joe.
Daybreak.
Oh, Charlie, cheers.
Yeah, man.
Hey.
Frank.
Joe.
I know I break.
Break.
I'm medicine.
Yeah, my break. Yeah.
Okay, we are too much.
I say wait.
Too much. I don't want to come on and say now. You like want to me this
trip, so not easy. Charlie, now and am I very tough, but I mean, obey it. What you say?
Frank, to cut everything short. You see how?
Yeah.
There were some properties family, like I don't know actual place they be a walk. Time as well was saying go back to America.
Yeah.
And it looks like some new Juma. I don't know what is going to happen.
I will meet him say no
that is it. Don't worry about your ticket. All the economy bar, me mama first class, me mama business class, what you saying? So now that you are here, just take me to all my properties. What you saying?
Me de obeko, but not on there. na enema na me ye okono so ehia kakra ti na me pese me disappoint you because na ene me no ti o ikra no I have a plan but na say me bana me ti me ne oko enti we die whatever
you no go echi
because me ka dey be chi but ese me dey oko
nyame ayebi
papa
nyame ayebi sana na mimi ma
na mommy ne abusuafo obi ahun ti say
obi ahun
ye de nyanko
go fa sino so o my kama they are all doing good yeah
she says so offer say ba ko so wow beautiful girl be
wow
yeah me
wow then it is true nature
okay
yeah wow beautiful lady
okay
yeah
okay tell now plans ne say
nti ye be ko
okay
me finish up
and we na yanko we ni yanko machi ase
oh Frank
Bema
Frank
abebi akoko
Frank
ye hey Ghana Ghana I come there because and they amount for properties even baby out there no one ko no say that time I start here no na me van is na a whole year is but then no I'm telling you and our properties ka all the buy here and fine o ka say o ton abenya be times 3 I'm telling you
kidding me
I'm telling you but ese o hu say my yard dey go onye obi ana be chi yes
obu okwa obeton edi
me ami
ni watoto na ni are so
me akwa me hwe se me tu kwan fofo sika me de man se on fa me ye agapade ma me buy no no concern baby ti no to obi nchen yeah sana babo ni city and Frank and then obi ti me ye o papa say ya fine me say the mayor na ye ofede but I'm just telling you next time no be a deal now we are going to my you're very careful because he said in any time I mean
Frank I know because me found what they show be inside just like that
yeah I know
or you Frank no e di no cry no say because frankly speaking
yeah you're ready
I fell into the correct hands
yeah I get it
I mean,
Mati, okay.
Frank,
Senior.
Yeah,
Oba.
I say
no me yet me won say we no boss kasa.
Okay.
You no go there.
Yeah,
you go to my phone.
Yeah, me fine that.
We are from Baba say you more than fine.
You're ready. But why come?
Me the nyame adoro me boss adoro.
Why come? You say what talking no still na.
Boss you. And me the mo nko.
Okay, now talking in for boy dey say. Wow. Matthias. Let me come here, you're fine.
Anything I'm about no, what I'm from my mom boss, what the imam to say, yeah.
Make come here, you're fine.
Oh no.
T. She said, me the name of the crab, me pese area has said, can me pet shop be mount. Na ka boss ni ha na wo sisi fi ha bi area na kwa ko bi store no na ka wo ye de o ton ade no enfaso bi e bebe bia na ka wa ye de me ne wa che
boss no you can in me hu di opatre sahabu te fon tro na me nuama be ka e posolo sa nuama sa kimi etu sa master kimi etu me nyoba
ya ti me o bra me ni se bi me 2 point ma kwa ba adwempa o mitiri tie me ya penifo bu be say edidida na ye dey fatu aso ma me jai de o ye no
eno de mi nya mi
de bi batu de fatu aso hia kwa de
edidida na ye dey eye anagale
ya na me obi me bu ba me say to aso say o sa fe say o che say me nto abene so ana
me ma bi na ko iska nti o ka didida
okay o de tie ma me koka ni na me nyi bibi bro
o de me boss no me o de boss me na me ma me ya the hospital me say o bo me
ene tie scanner worker ni it is all the tie nya abotre ya nya abotre
ene nya abotre boss
Oka krebi ananya fukai. Ya to pie ya over rush no. Because I phone man on every day trying to come near guy.
Gang.
Say.
Tu vois, il y a des séances à Wadna aussi, tout dans un homme chien. Nous devons nous smile. On est au point sur Panéria.
Directement face à l'idée. Let's say you know, no more talk me.